Hey, good morning on this Monday. This is Derek Demore with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live, and we have up our new triple play charts. Uh, Jeff was not here today to give us signals. We decided to go long just because we were above the EMAs at 9:30. As you can see, right, let's see, 9:30. Right there, we were above the EMAs. Wanted to get in on limit orders. Basically, doing a 24-12, a 8-4, and a 10-5 were the gain and loss. Lost the M2K trade, won the MNQ, was going to take 5 points on this candlestick from the MES. Put a exit on one and it sniffed me. So technically didn't get out, although I made 5.25 points on my entry. So it's kind of one of those, I would have been out of the trade. So I'm going to just, since it's opening bell, want to be done, ready to make the video. We have Anthony Credelli coming in today. I'll just call it a half because I would have put my stop right at the my entry or a quarter point above my entry. So we'll just call it 2.5 points average on that. So 2.5, and we lost 5 on the M2K, and we won 24. So kind of overall, two out of 3, kind of 1.5 out of out of it. That was a good morning. I mean, it just didn't do when we're at close to all-time highs, so it just didn't do what we were hoping for it to do. You can kind of see by the 1 hour, what's happening now is the M2K is just really leading and it's just motoring down. The Russell hit the NASDAQ hit a really good spot for a turnaround right there. It looks like the Russell personally is going to go down and touch one of these levels. Well, it's right there right now. If that's it, then that's a good spot. But there's some wicks down here. And the MES is still looking positive overall. So that's a really nice chart. So until it breaks this low or this peak back at 4101, it looks really good. Let's look at the dailies and see how we did. So on the M2K, I actually had a spot where I thought it was going short, potentially down to the 50 period, but it went past my spot, pulled back, but it pulled back further and basically gave what to me looked like a really good long if you go down and touch. So I think we're hitting this spot right now that, in all honesty, this looks like a really good spot to get in long. It's gone a little further, but with this channel break on this side, and then it did, when it kicks over, it did come. Well, that was the other day. Sorry. So I'm talking out of both sides of my mouth. But this still looks like, it's pulling down. It looks like it could bounce from this spot. We'll watch it today because there's a lot of things going on right here that might make it come all the way down and retest this 2193 level. So where am I going to end up today? Interesting. All right. This is kind of where, way up at the top or right at the 50 period. It's kind of where I'm seeing things on that. So, and on the dailies, it came down and then it just bounced and went right back up. So didn't respect me at all. Boy, today, okay, let's see here, or are we going to have a short day right down here? Those are my calls, right? Ended up right there. Just based on what I see, this needs a pullback. It's kind of had it, but it's a good chart. It's just look at way overbought. So we will see. And last but not least, the S&P did exactly what the NAS did, which is pull way down and then rocket back up at the end of the day. It's still kind of in this channel. No, it's actually broken the channel, but it's still kind of in it. Boy, it's a tough call. Just so much money going in, but look at this. It's just, parabolic, hasn't had a pullback. All right, that's where I'm at. New all-time high or nice pullback back to the pivot point. Well, thanks for being with us. Futures to More, Futures Networks Live. Opening bell, the triple play seems to be working pretty well. We're going to keep running with that and hopefully have Jeff Brown back next week or tomorrow. And today, Anthony Cordelia, looking forward to seeing what he has to say. Thanks for being with us. Subscribe, like, and give me feedback as to what you'd like to see. All right, have a great day.